Noise Box Game. This game is a great game for dogs for building confidence with noise, novelty and fear around sounds. You will need a box, treats and some items, such as bottles and bubble wrap. Quick note: we have kept the same plastic items for nearly 2 years now, so please recycle responsibly, or keep the items for continued use. If you have never played this game before, begin with an empty box. Drop treats by the box to build confidence around the box for the next step. If they interact with the box, for example, push it with their nose, look at it or interact with it, reward them by hand. As your dog becomes more confident, drop treats into the box. You can absolutely hold the box if needed to avoid movement and prevent a nervous reaction. As they become more confident and they are okay with the box entirely, you can begin to add an item, beginning with one first. As their confidence grows, your items can grow too, adding one at a time alongside the treats you drop in the box. Until you have a full box and your dog is happily exploring the box to find the treats. I brought them a Pokémon stuffed toy each to and added these in for more novelty and a surprise. The box was slightly too big for Diesel and normally he would knock the box over, but because there was a new toy in there he wouldn't. Diesel's hesitancy is a great example as to why the game is so helpful. And how I could help him to boost his confidence and help him to problem solve. As well as offer him reassurance. With the game there are no rules as to the dog having to independently give a behavior. You can help them, you can comfort them, and you can problem solve together. As you can see, the wolf dogs are more than happy to just barrel through. But all dogs are individuals, and that is what makes them unique. The wolf dog boys were more than happy to beat up their new toys straight away, whereas Coda and Diesel were much more gentle. So 3 wolf dogs and a spaniel, 2 wolf dogs with the same behavior and 1 wolf dog and a spaniel with the same behavior. So if your breed is renowned for a stereotype behavior and doesn't give it, don't worry, because all dogs are individuals, not generalizations. Try playing this game and see if your dog's confidence grows.